say that and set it all on LG Bell's Mix 96. And they start out score for next year, #1 album at Christmas. That works here. I'm a lot of miles on the way. Very, very soon. Don't forget to George House before. I went shopping with my girlfriend in Elsie yesterday afternoon, just after the return, just after 4 o'clock. And I'll be honest with you, it was pretty quiet. It was quieter in the town centre than I thought it would be. I didn't really go along with it. We were sort of dead keen to see what was in the sales. And it was rather unfortunate that poor Penny, because she was looking around desperately trying to find something and didn't find anything. I was just there accompanying her, and I walked away with 7 shirts. I was like, oh, brilliant, bargain! I don't think she's got anyway, there's been an opportunity for you to get your hands on an extra 20 quid, which might well help you in the sales shopping across our hotel. It's opinion meaning. There are more details online at mix96.co.uk, but if you fancy getting yourself an extra 20 quid, just for filling in a very, very, very quick questionnaire, then you'll be able to see all the details on it. So check it out and get started. Mix96.co.uk is opinion meaning. The Mix96 Christmas Toy Deal, where you can really make a difference this Christmas. The 2010 Mix96 Christmas Toy Deal is now over, and you have made a difference to the lives of children across Aylesbury Vale.
We've actually had a better response this year than we had last year, so I can't thank people enough for digging into their pockets and giving so generously.
The Mix96 Christmas Toy Deal with Perry, giving you worry-free motoring with Perry's Motability. The Vodafone freebies, big comfortable.
So, X-Factor winner Matt Cardle's Christmas #1 has managed to stay at the top for a fortnight.
Will he be able to hang in there and have 2011's first #1?
Find out this week on the UK's most listened to chart show, Sunday from 4.
The Vodafone freebies, big top 40.
Get great offers on pay-as-you-go.
96.
The Budgies dreamed of a multi-walk lifestyle, of sofas with removable covers,